Head until I'm at the king at the reef watching. Look at it. Look at it. But I got to have a bench and then make a soothing the ocean sense and soothing the relaxation for you. Yes. Yes. But who's the guy here, mate? Who's the guy? Okay? He's the guy, he's the king. Okay, but I'm the guy. I'm the guy building brand equity. Okay? I got my bench out. I got my bench out. I got a unpredictable, like unappreciative Australians, mate. Like me, but they didn't want me. They didn't want me. They want a Billie Eilish. How concerted. Okay, they want Billie Eilish for that refugee, not me. Not me, okay? No wonder my feelings are hurt. Okay, they want the Queen Billie. They want Queen Billie, not how to boot the BUSHTICK, I can tell you. I can tell you I'm dog poo. I'm dog poo to Billie's dog food, yes. It looks the same coming in as it is gone out, mate. But look at it, that's a beautiful. That's beautiful, a serenade. A serenade, yes. Okay, but I'm body conscious too. I don't think you want to see all the BUSHTICK making a bikini. Yes, okay. I can tell you. That's why I fought naked. That's why I like to fight naked. I can tell you that. Okay. But I've been working on songs ever since I found that they want a Billie Eilish. I can tell you. Good songs too. Here comes one. Here comes one. It goes, get a watch. It's a Reef watch time because you're gonna call the Reef watches. Who you gonna call? You're gonna call them. You're gonna call the Reef watches. Yeah, yeah. Let's describe the color. It's like a contribution. Okay. It's a good one this time too, not a bad one. We don't like to contribute bad things to the environment. I can say that. Okay, but everything circulates around the reef. Okay, we need skills and training. Because we're not quite smart people, but we're the people's reef watchers. We're the people's reef watchers. I can tell you, you can see us watching. We are the people's protectors of the reef and the people's learners. We like to learn. You need to understand it. Okay. One thing you need to understand is education. Okay, I'm an educated man. I'm an educated man and I'm an educator. Okay, like Billie Eilish, mate. We've been called, and Billie's heard it. She had the war drums, the war drums of nature. Okay, calling her to protect the Great Barrier Reef in that way. Okay, called to protect it. And like, the reef wars have started, quite frankly. You need to understand it. Okay, we've started them, and you'll be trained in the art of this type of thing. It's all about watching, observing, and reporting. You need to know. You need to know these things, okay? I'm trying to tell you them. Yeah, more seven sounds for you now. I can tell you from my bench to your beautiful ears. I can say that. But Billie Eilish, mate, she knows about the drums. She knows about them now, okay? And she wants us to form alliances, to strategize and join together, okay, to protect our lands. That's what Mother Nature's telling us, Billy. You need to understand that, okay? Allow us to think. Allow us to think strategically. Yes. Teach us all to reform. We want to become farmers. Okay, we're part of the movement. Yes, I can feel it. Billy can feel it too. Okay, but what you need to understand is we're part of this. The reef will come back. The reef will come back, and the fish will come back too, Billy. Okay, but we need you. We need you on board, mate. Okay, I can say that. Okay, we encourage our family to think that this is the way, and to act on it. They say act on this heroism. I can tell you. We're heroes in that way, Billy. You need to understand it. Okay, we've been labeled. We've been labeled, Billy, okay? Stayers and protectors. Yes, we encourage us of the learning, quite frankly, I can tell you, okay? Raising the standards, Billy. Raising the standards, okay? It feels nice. It feels nice for us to look at the beauty. Look at the beauty, Billy, I can tell you these things. Okay, I'm happy to tell you. I like to tell you that. You might not know better than me, but yes. Yes, Billy, I can start it. I can start it. We're watching that Reef, Matalo Reef look sick. I can tell you. I can tell you, Billy. Our hopes for Billy are really high. Our guy's been foretold in the foretelling. Nature has chosen you, Billy. You need to know it. Beautiful Billy, beautiful Billy. So many fish in our kingdom. Yes, supporting such a local content. The sound behind the reef, yeah, yeah. Billy, you're doing this for my family. You can't even understand it. Reef Watch is the place for you. You need to support it. Get involved, Billy. Not Tiger Shark will get you, okay? We're gonna Tiger Shark proof you, mate. We're gonna shark proof Billy. She can't understand it. It's important for safety.